For 10 years we fought. For 197,000 lines of code we bled. And now Java objects can finally stop pretending everything needs an identity.
Today we're announcing TypeScript 7. We made a small performance improvement.
Manifest v3 is finally rolling out. Enjoy the web.
AI can help you write code. Understanding it is still your problem.
Haha! That's 100 wins in a row! Pizza's on you!
Are you seriously playing Fortnite during work hours?
No, we're testing lore.
The Epic version control system?
Exactly.
Oh, carry on.
That was close.
What are we gonna do? I know. We'll spend more money.
Dispatch to Unit 42. We got a report of 144 AIM MPE packages compromised by a fake date library called EasyDayG. Possible credential theft in progress.
An ordinary Wednesday.
Sounds normal.
$600,000 for us!
Warning, malware outbreak detected in the AUR Spectre.
There are still people behind those doors!
If we wait any longer, it'll spread everywhere.
I almost finished the install!
Seal it.
Do you think they made it?
They were using the AUR. Microsoft says there's a new self-spreading crypto stealer. Oh, there it is. What is OpenAI's largest model? Expenses.
Introducing GitLab 19.0! Now with secrets management, AI agents, security scanning, new models. How do you play? You don't. GitLab 19.0!